All right, so I put together something that I think a lot of the trades businesses can use. This is the same system that we used for clients in the past, and it worked extraordinarily well. I mean, we got huge wins. Well, our clients did. Over time, it kind of stopped making sense for us to offer it as a service because we grew and the amount we had to charge for it kind of wouldn't make sense. So instead of letting it disappear, I just documented this whole process and put it together for free to share it. The idea is simple. You build a professional business introduction packet and hand it directly to businesses that hire people in your space. If you're a plumber, electrician, HVAC, handyman, landscaper, painter, welder, GC, that can mean property managers, apartment communities, landlords, investors, builders, restoration companies, commercial property operators. Basically, you walk in, introduce yourself, explain what you do, and leave the packet behind. That packet gives them everything they need to understand who you are, what kind of work you handle, what you charge, and how to reach you. Maybe they need you that day. Maybe they need you 3 months from now. Either way, when the work comes up, your information is sitting on their desk. The packet includes a presentation folder, an introduction letter, a double-sided services and pricing flyer. And I know that you're going to sit back and cringe at the idea of putting your pricing out there. I promise you can create a starting point, just something to give them an idea of where you're priced at. I know every job is different. It's not, though. Every job has a price point. And a few business cards. Nothing complicated. It's a clean, professional way to put your business directly in front of people who actually pay for the kind of work you do. I also linked exact suppliers, products, paper sizes, quantities, and the finishes that I would use. A full setup is like $450 for 100 complete packets. Also, I have no attachment to these companies. I use a wholesale provider for stuff that we used to do, and we do still do for active clients. I've never used either one of these. This is not rocket science, though. They can do it. They're just the best prices I could find online when I was putting this reference guide together. The next thing I did was put an AI prompt together. You copy this AI prompt, and it will ask you a bunch of questions, and you answer those questions. When it's done, it's going to generate an introduction letter, a business card design, a flyer front, a flyer back. It will generate a flyer front and a flyer. Why can't I say that? A flyer front and a flyer back. Holy shit, that was hard to get out. I don't know why. Anyways, it does all the work for you, and it ends up looking something like this right here. Here's an introduction letter, the front of the flyer, and a business card. It's not the greatest design in the world. It's not going to be, but it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to use it. That's it. I can ramble on more about it. The page breaks it down. If you're a business if you're a business owner that is small and you want to grow, and you find that your phone's ringing 9 times a day with somebody trying to sell you Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO for a website that you can't afford yet. All these things are just way outside your budget. Start here. It's $450. I own a company that builds websites and sells Facebook ads and sells Google ads and sells SEO services. You could build a business off of this right here and never have any of the other stuff. If you wanted to be a solo operator and do a couple $100,000 a year, this free packet can get you there. I hope it helps you guys.